So if you want to change the default font like this one into your Excel, then here's the video for that. It's quite simple to change the default font permanently in your Excel. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the files and simply go with the options on the bottom side. And these options will be shown up. So from here, as you can see, we got our main option, which is use this as the font default font. So you need to select this, and now you need to find out which font you like. So for my case, I'm going with Arial. Here we go. We need to select that, and you can simply select the default font size as well. So let me just grab it like 12. And default view for new sheets, you can simply select that new normal view. So after doing so, you can simply go with the OK and simply OK. So if we just close all of our Excel file and simply open that up once again, and if we open up any blank write book, so as you can see guys, we have successfully changed default font and font size in Excel. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.